Welcome to the series of C programming language. Today we are going to do a very small program to find the entered number is odd or even, so without wasting time let's get started. So here we need to create a new file with .c extension. I'm giving the file name as odd or even.c. After creating the file name we need to include the header file, so I'm adding studio.h header file. Then we need to write the main function. Note we should write everything inside this main function. Inside the main function the very first thing we're going to do is initializing the variable number. Then we need to print a prompting message for the user. Here I'm writing prompting message as enter the number. Using printf function we can pass messages, it will display on the screen. And after the message I'm writing /n for new line. Now we need to read the number from user. Using scanf function we can read the input. Now we need to check the condition if the number mod 2 is equal to 0 or not. Here I'm checking the condition using if statement. If the condition is true it will execute the statement. Else it will execute the remaining. If the number mod 2 equals to 0 we need to print the number is even. Here I'm writing the message as the entered number is even number. The %d will replace the readed input. And /n I'm giving for the new line. It is a good practice to write /n after printf function. Now I'm checking if the entered number mod 2 is not equals to 0 then we can say the number is odd. So here I'm passing the message as the entered number is odd. Here also I'm adding /n for the new line. And %d will replace the readed number. Here we are writing each statement inside the braces. And don't forget to close all the braces. After writing code it's a good practice to return 0. Hence we are using int main function we are telling the compiler that the return type of the function is integer. Now let's try running the code. Here I'm saving the code and running using shortcut keys. Now see it is asking me to enter the number. I'm going to give the input as 10. Now it is printing the entered number 10 is even number. Let's try one more. This time let's try with an odd number. Now see it is displaying as the entered number 5 is odd number. So that's all about today guys. Keep practicing, don't give up. Bye for now from C for Code.